Did you know that a rocket can travel at over 25,000 miles per hour? That's fast enough to circle the Earth in just over an hour. These incredible machines capable of carrying us to the stars operate on principles discovered centuries ago by Sir Isaac Newton. His 3 laws of motion are the foundation of rocket science. Let's dive in and explore these laws. Imagine yourself on a skateboard holding a heavy basketball. You throw the ball forward. What happens? You roll backwards. This, my friends, is Newton's 3rd law of motion in action. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Rockets work on the same principle. They expel hot gas out of their engines, which is the action. The reaction is the rocket moving in the opposite direction, upwards. This powerful thrust propels the rocket skyward, overcoming the force of gravity. Space, the final frontier, free from resistance. Rockets perform even better in space. Why? Because there's no air resistance. Air resistance is a force that opposes motion through the air. In space, a vacuum, there's nothing to slow the rocket down. This means it can achieve much higher speeds using less fuel. Newton's 2nd law, the cannon's mighty roar. Now, let's talk about Newton's 2nd law of motion. Imagine a cannon firing a cannonball. The force of the explosion propels the cannonball forward. This law tells us that the acceleration of an object depends on 2 things: the force applied to it and its mass. Mass versus acceleration. The rocket's balancing act. A heavier cannonball would need a bigger explosion, a greater force, to travel as fast as a lighter one. The same applies to rockets. A heavier rocket needs more powerful engines to achieve the same acceleration as a lighter one. This is why rocket scientists carefully calculate the weight of a rocket and its payload. Reaching for the stars. Newton's enduring legacy. As a rocket ascends, it burns fuel, constantly decreasing its mass. This means that with the same amount of force from the engines, the rocket will accelerate faster as it gets lighter. This principle is crucial in achieving the incredible speeds necessary for space travel. Newton's laws of motion are not just equations on a page. They are the very principles that govern the motion of objects throughout the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest stars. And they are the driving force behind our exploration of the cosmos. As we venture further into the great unknown, always remember the fundamental laws that got us off the ground and into the stars.